We're doing the happy face. Okay, let's go. Journey.
Alright. Let's go, let's go. Okay guys, so we're at the park entrance. We're early, it opens at 8. However, we're early. It's like 5 a.m. right now. I'm gonna fill this out. One day. Okay, so we just arrived. What is this? 6 a.m. Sunrise is at 7:20. We got Philip back here. Philip, we got freaking Tiger. He meow meow. Hey. Parking ticket. Just gotta drop that there. I'm gonna kill the car. So we're gonna hike. Oh, can I borrow this? Okay, thank you. Okay. So we're gonna drive. We're gonna hike 2 miles, and then we'll go up to King's Bluff. This is out in Great River Bluff, and hopefully catch the sunset. We got flashlights too.
Yeah, I'm taking my battery. But I'm trying to kill a bear with my light. What is that, a flashlight?
Yeah, it's a flashlight. What do you think I'm holding? My phone?
Nice. Hey, I saw a real flash.
Oh shoot, guys, we gotta speed up, man. Look, the sun's coming up. We can see it. Yeah, it's flat, but it's kind of like a bluff. I think it goes up a bit. Like, no, we still got time. We got 30 minutes. You said?
6:26.
Oh, it goes up at 7:22 though.
About like 6:40.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that.
You guys go, go, go! Hurry! 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 Go, 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 go! Go! Are we going down?
Sideways.
No, I hope we're not going down yet. I think this is it. I think we're here. All right, let's set up camp. That's a nice view. All right, so we're here. King's Bluff. That is gorgeous. So you see the valley back there. And then over here, that's the Mississippi. And then we're in Minnesota over here, Mississippi down there. And just on the other side, where that light is flashing, that's Wisconsin. we waited a whole hour out here in the cold, in the dark, and we got two damn homies over there. But we got the sunrise right there.
Into the sun.
Damn. This is like Lion King. Was was that a sunset or a sunrise?
Sunrise.
Yeah. All right, on our way back. Everyone's alive. Back to the car. 9:05. We were up there, so we left at 6, right?
3 hours?
Yeah, 3 hours. Took us about 45 minutes to get up there. Stayed up an hour and a half.
Oh, yes, sir.
Hour and a half, we're going back. It'll take us 45 minutes to get back. Maybe faster since it's bright out and we're walking faster.
The hill. You ready?
Yeah. So we're gonna go to the vineyard for wine tasting, or we're gonna go hit up some burgers.
The vineyard wine tasting you're talking about?
Wait,
They're like all booked up
oh, for today?
for like the rest of the season.
What the hell? You gotta sign up for it. It's not,
I honestly see there's like, well, I don't know if it's on the same one, but the one that I looked up,
what was it called?
like the fall harvest tree.
Oh, hell no.
And then you can like drink wine, chill, whatever.
That's what I'm gonna do with my future wife.
Yeah, but it's all booked up for season. So.
Oh, shit. That's why I haven't found her. Because the cattles are down there. If we enter, they'll all bug us.
That's not a bit.
That's beautiful, man. Man, I'm glad I got to take you here and show you my backyard today.
Like, just don't try to marry me tonight, okay?
Oh, leave.
Alright, let's go.
Okay. Oh, what you in the hurry for?
I'm not.
What you in the hurry for? You want that burger or what?
I'm trying to move.
Left.
Left, right, left.
Oh, you hear that? They're responding to you.
What's your breakfast?
We're about to find out.
Alright.
We either do the wine vineyard,
Don't disappoint.
wine vineyard, or yo, we're hitting up Red Wings, Treasure Island.
Double down?
Double down. Do they have? They don't have poker there. I actually don't go to casinos anymore.
Me neither. It's not a good investment. So.
It's not even an investment. It's like you pay the utility bills for utilities you don't use.
You pay the definitely.
Yeah. Pork? Dude, that would be good right now.
And
Rook and rice, yeah, rook and rice. I don't even need soy sauce. If you put enough.
I
Well,
need rice though.
Yeah, but I don't need soy sauce if you cook it right and you put some nước mắm in there. When you make the rook, man, you don't need soy sauce on that shit.
No, doesn't need it.
No. Man, hot rice, like right after you cook it.
I eat rice to everything.
Yeah. Right after you cook it, jasmine rice too. Oh, shit. I'd give up a drone for that right now.
You didn't bring your rice cooker?
No, seriously, I'd give up a drone for that right now, you know?
Big man. Come on,
Yo,
boy.
come on.
Come on. Come on.
Huh?
Don't cạo tóc mới trắng like that, man. Just leave.
Your butt hurt or something? Huh?
Hey, không làm vậy nha. Ready for what?
Breakfast.
Yeah. If it's Culver's, I'm ready.
Have fun, y'all. Beautiful.
Hi. If it's Culver's, I'm ready. If it's not Culver's, I'm not ready. Hey, can you walk behind me?
No.
Why not?
Okay, thanks.
Well, those are the two that suffered from it. Oh, me TK. Oh, shit. Philip put out his shades. Oh, it's dark. It's shiny. It's Philip.
You shit with the Blair Witch last night.
With the what?
Blair Witch.
Oh, hell no. That was fun. Another item crossed off the bucket list. Hiking at night.
Sir, yes, sir. We made it.
You made it.
We made it.
Good shit.
Who made it? We made it.
Lip, right, lip. All right, we're here. We're here, homies. Back at home. Car still here. Didn't get towed. I don't think the park's even open yet. Look at all these people coming at legal times. Oh. We got Tiger right here, kind of hungover. Totally eat the Tiger.
Time for the hour job skirt. Like that.
Philip,
I don't eat it in your car, but
Philip ơi,
yeah.
ăn cơm con.
And we're saying?
I think it's still, oh, it's lunchtime. Oh, shit.
Is it lunchtime?
Yeah, look at the menu.
Take it.
A number 4 with a Sprite, please.
Could I also get the Whopper and original chicken sandwich, 2 for $5, please?
Oh, you're hungry?
So I have a Whopper with, you need another Whopper
Yes.
with original chicken?
Yes, please.
Hey, man. Hey, what's up with the hand sanitizer? You got some?
No, man, dude, I licked my fingers.
Whoa, what was the medical grade shit you gave shit earlier? Come on. Hook it up.
Yo, Tony, you ordered from the dollar menu, right?
Yeah.
But then you asked them for the Big Mac sauce, which is only 29 cents on the
Yeah,
side.
yeah.
And you smash it on,
Oh man,
and that's how you save.
Back
and then,
then, it's
when
not
you go
tasty, yeah.
when you go to McDonald's, back then you used to get the McGingbang, right? Double cheeseburger
Yeah.
with
Big chicken.
big chicken.
I didn't think I was hungry. You ever try to eat them? Yeah, that's how I feel right
When I was 13, nothing.
No,
now.
Nothing.
me neither.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Yeah.
That was a life before this one.
Instead of like right now, should I do? You want to do it the whole way? How come?
I don't know.
Cause like, what do you even make?
Wait,
it
how
on?
do people do it? How do it? Is there a way where they can just pay the royalty? Like 10-20%?
Yeah,
Or
there's
just play until you
royalties.
get caught.
There's subscription services where you can use any music you want. You pay them.
Are you serious?
Yeah, it's called Epic Sound or something. Or like, it's called.
But you can't use like Like songs from the radio.
No, you can't.
That's what I'm saying.
Yo, Whoppers? Underrated.
You know, live one day at a time. I don't know if he's gonna feed me. I don't know.
Yeah. No? You're whack for that. I was going in too.
Why can't my shit play? What's wrong with it?
This thing, like, you have to reset it if you're connecting to like an inferior phone.
Okay. Like, oh, thanks.
We don't speak the same language.
Okay, okay. Your Android.
Kobe behind you, Kobe.
Okay.
Kobe behind you, Kobe. Oh! You gotta make sure.
Okay, okay.